Good morning, everyone. Today is the 20th of March, 2018. It's a Tuesday morning. Market's going to open here in a little bit. I'll be back. There's the bell. Market is open. See what she wants to do here today. Got in with a short right here. There we go, pushing down to target, about halfway there. One more little push, we'll be there. Okay, I'm giving it some breathing room if you notice. Move my boundary back a little bit. What's happening is every time this guy comes up, the pressure to the downside increases. Pressure to the downside increases. So it's exponentially increasing as we're going forward in time. This would actually be a great place to get in if you weren't in already. As soon as we get a signal. Haven't gotten one yet. Let you know. There it is right here. Signal's right here. There we go. 3/4 of the way there. Should hit target with no problem now. Bam! Target's filled. Got my 3 nuggets for the morning. And I'm out of here. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Easy peasy. Like falling off a log. See you guys. Bye-bye. Okay, looking for shorts here. Here it is. There's the signal. Go short right there. Three nuggets is down here. Let's see what happens. Okay, if we got into a trade here, let me just explain this. If we're in a trade right here, there is no set standard boundary. Your stop loss needs to be 1 tick behind the pivot that you took the trade on. Okay, so we would still be in the trade unless the market came all the way up here 1 tick above this pivot top. So we're holding it and letting it do its magic. What was the signal? Signal was this 144 yellow dot curling down. That was the signal. I can't tell you why on the YouTube video. That's reserved for the students, but that was the signal that told us to go short right here. There was humongous pressure to the downside as this price came up here, just as there was humongous pressure to the upside as the price came down to here. So we're constantly reading the elevations of the elevated pressures as they are progressing. And we can see a buildup of pressure that's telling us, well, this particular direction is about to have a problem because the pressure in the opposite direction is actually increasing. So we can constantly read this and base our decisions off of that. What would I like to see right here, right now? Okay, since this market is going sideways right here, since we got in and we're kind of going sideways here, what I would really love to see is this 233 start pushing down already. I mentioned this in a few videos back on the MacD observations, the MacD tips. If this guy, and it happens not that often, but perfect to the scenario here, if this price kept going sideways, 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 sideways without making any progress down, and these 233 BBs actually started going down, that would be a signal. That would be a clue that price is about to follow. But it's not doing it here, so I just wanted to reiterate that it does not happen frequently. And when you do see it, you can feel good about that picture because high probability that the price is going to follow down. Here we don't have that opportunity. Price is doing exactly what the BBs are doing. Or I should say the price is doing what it's supposed to show us. Price is leading and the indicator is supposed to follow. So that's normal behavior. There is no such thing as a leading indicator. Okay, so right here, right now, I'm looking at the separation between the BBs themselves. Distance from there to there, distance from there to there. We're having a slowdown, which means the price is most likely going to go sideways. Once this guy spreads apart again, that means there's velocity to the downside, and that's what we're looking for. There we go. Now the BBs are spread apart once again. Velocity to the downside. Okay. Went sideways here for a little bit. That's exactly what the BBs were telling us was going to happen. Now they're telling us they're going to push down. Okay, if you look at the 440, look at the distance between the previous and the current. A lot of power down. It should hit target without any problem. Okay, once again, a couple BBs later, still have the same velocity. Still have the same velocity. And here we go. Target's being hit. Come on, you can do it. Looking at the BBs here. There's no reason it shouldn't hit target. And there we go. Bam, hit target. Okay, let's say you were in with two contracts. One contract got the exit signal here. The exit was 3 nuggets in your dome. Let's hold for the first sign of danger. Let's say the other one is still active and you're holding for the first sign of danger. Bam. First sign of danger here. What happened? Well, we gave a little bit back, didn't we? So many times, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. The first sign of danger was this guy here going back to the upside. This 233 BB. So if you were to exit at the first sign of danger, guess what? You gave a little bit back compared to where you would have gotten out here without getting greedy. You would have had more in your dome if you had exited with both here than if you would have exited at the first sign of danger. Does that make sense? Anyway, you guys have a great day. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Just thought I'd share a chart from one of the students. Well, actually, he's not a student, he's a graduate. When the market speaks to us, if you understand the language, it's very easy to predict what's about to happen. Okay, Sean took the same identical trades because he heard the exact identical language being spoken. He read the market. He read what the charts were telling him. The market said, get in here, so we got in here. The market says, if you're thinking about adding on, this would be a really great place. And he did. Okay, the market speaks to us. And if you know what it's telling you, you can take advantage of it. Beautiful, Sean. Thanks for sharing. I mean, it's like you're my twin. Very nice. Very nice. In fact, you got better entry here than I was anticipating. Beautiful, Sean. Thanks for sharing. Have a great one, guys. Talk to you soon.